In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match multiple payments to one invoice in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes a customer pays a single invoice in several smaller payments instead of one lump sum. When those separate payments show up in your bank feed, you want them all to be linked back to that one invoice so your records stay accurate and your open balance is correct. That's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, head over to the banking page in QuickBooks Online. Depending on your version, this might also be called Transactions, then Banking. Once you're there, make sure you're on the For Review tab. This is where QuickBooks shows you all the bank transactions that have been downloaded from your bank but haven't been added or matched yet. Next, look through the list and find all of the separate bank transactions that together make up the total payment for that one invoice. These could be multiple deposits made on different days or maybe a mix of partial payments. Carefully check the amounts and dates so you're selecting the correct ones, then click to select each of those related transactions. The key here is that the combined total of these transactions should match the total amount of the invoice you're trying to clear. Once you've selected all of the relevant bank transactions, look towards the top of the page and click Match. This tells QuickBooks that you want to match these bank entries to something that already exists in your books, like an invoice or a payment. A Match Transactions window will open. In this window, you'll see a list of possible matches from your QuickBooks records. Here, select all of the bank transactions you just identified and then select the single invoice that these payments are meant to pay off. As you make your selections, QuickBooks will display the combined total of the bank transactions so you can quickly confirm that it equals the invoice total. If the numbers don't line up, pause and review the amounts to make sure you haven't missed or miselected a transaction. When everything looks correct and the totals match, click Save. QuickBooks will now match all of those selected payments to that one invoice at the same time. This clears the invoice and keeps both your bank feed and your customer balance accurate without you having to record each payment manually. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can confidently match multiple payments to a single invoice and keep your QuickBooks Online file clean and up to date.